When I was a teenager, I was always looking for ways to make extra money whenever I wasn't in school or when I wasn't playing sports. Regardless of how much it is, earning extra money can be beneficial in more ways than just increasing your bank account. Making your own money as a teenager builds confidence, fosters independence, and helps develop important values like accountability, budgeting, and goal setting. In this video, I will discuss 8 ways to make money as a teenager and highlight the best specific ways that work in today's market. All right, first on our list of ways to make money as a teenager is selling old tech. Look, let's be honest here. You probably have old phones, monitors, game consoles, printers, laptops, tablets, and many other gadgets just laying around your house. Why not get some cash for it? Not only that, but you can easily go to yard sales and buy more of those same items for dirt cheap. Learn what other technology people still want or need or really don't care how old it is as long as it still works. And there might even be some collectors out there. Anyway, get out there and grab it for cheap and get it sold. But where would be the best place to sell these items? Facebook Marketplace would be a great place to start. There you're gonna limit your fees and have a wide range of an audience. And if that doesn't work, you have other options like eBay, Mercari, or even a site called Declutter. With Declutter, simply sign up for an account and Declutter will offer you a price for your items based on age, condition, and a couple other factors. How it works is that you just ship your tech to them for free and get paid through direct deposit, PayPal, or even a check. It's as simple as that and could really pay off. Second on our list of ways to make money as a teenager are completing surveys. There's a number of online platforms out there that provide a way for companies to connect with consumers to conduct important market research in the form of surveys. These platforms pay users to actively participate in online surveys and earn cash for their input. Now, in terms of how much survey takers are paid for their time, earnings will vary from platform to platform. Average earnings for completing online surveys can be anywhere from 50 cents to $5 per survey completed, sometimes even more. Some platforms will also offer other ways for users to earn, like referral bonuses and giveaways and even games. I recommend checking out Inbox Dollars, Survey Junkie, and Branded Surveys as great places really to just get started. Teenagers can sign up on multiple platforms like this and gain access to more surveys. I've also done a review for each of these companies on the channel, so definitely check those out if you want more information before signing up. Third on our list is starting a blog. Starting a blog is a great way for you to express creativity about your passion and earn money while doing it. Blogs are websites that publish information or transactional style content on a regular basis and are typically run by maybe one person or a small team. At the Modest Wallet, not only do we have this YouTube channel, but we've developed a pretty popular blog, themodestwallet.com. You should definitely check it out. Anyway, in order for a blog to become profitable, you'll need to find ways to monetize your website and its content that you're producing. However, and this is quite a big however, in order to monetize your blog, you're going to need to first build an audience and you're going to need to generate a steady flow of traffic that can be then leveraged to earn income. Now, some of the best ways to monetize a blog include one, affiliate marketing, which is promoting other people's products and or services through your blog. In return, you receive a portion of sales that you generate through an affiliate link that people would use. And then second, you can use digital products. So bloggers can then sell their own products to their audience as well. And this can sometimes include things like ebooks, online training courses, and maybe even digital printables. Third, you can do sponsored blog posts. With this, you can sort of partner with companies to write and publish sponsored posts that are going to promote the products and or services. And with that, bloggers typically receive a one-time payment for a sponsored post instead of compensation based on the amount of sales they get. Finally, you can make money through events and online workshops with blogging. So bloggers can host online events and workshops for their readers and then sell tickets for admission or monetize them in some other way. So to wrap this all up, starting a blog can be a quite rewarding side hustle, especially for teens that are passionate about a certain topic If they enjoy writing and know a little bit about a website development, you're definitely going to be on the right track when it comes to creating a blog. Fourth on our list, and this is my personal favorite, is starting a YouTube channel. YouTube channels have the potential to generate a decent amount of income, especially for a teenager looking to make some extra money. And it's actually my favorite because I actually record content on this channel and another, and I'm actually potentially working on a third channel. I'm always telling people to start a YouTube channel. Now, on top of some financial benefits, starting a YouTube channel will provide valuable experience in the content creation space, identifying online trends, video editing, and definitely working with marketing and developing brand growth. One of the most important steps to creating a successful YouTube channel is to choose a popular niche that is going to attract a significant amount of viewers that's going to help to build your channel around it. Some examples of great YouTube channel niches include gaming, travel and tourism, cooking and food, health and fitness, just education in general, maybe around language learning, science videos, interesting facts about education. And finally, a big trend, definitely of more recent time that I'm learning about, are faceless YouTube channels. So you wouldn't have to show your face if that's something you didn't really want to do. If you like creating and editing videos, this hustle might be just for you. Check out the Think Media YouTube channel. I get tons of great tips from them on how to grow a channel. Fifth on our list is selling digital products. You can try your hand at selling digital products, which can be a highly lucrative way to make money online when done right. Digital products are things like maybe printables, worksheets, organizers, trackers, ebooks, online courses, audiobooks, really much more as well. Once you've created your products and are ready to market and sell them to the consumer, I definitely recommend taking advantage of e-commerce platforms like Podia, Shopify, and BigCommerce. These sites are going to actually really provide powerful marketplaces designed specifically to help sellers connect with consumers worldwide to sell these digital products. I also personally use Etsy to sell these digital products, so it's definitely a great platform with a lot of traffic, which is key when selling digital products. So you should definitely check out Etsy. I'm sure you've heard of it, but get on there and you can also sell digital products on there. Sixth on our list is freelancing, or doing freelance writing. With freelancing, you're going to have the opportunity to develop your writing skills, learn about freelancing and the gig economy and industry. You'll be able to create new networking connections and learn how to manage client relationships. Now, freelance writing is a broad term that can involve the creation of really any number of different styles of written content, typically in digital format. Freelance writers are considered self-employed contractors who generally provide services to their clients on a per project basis. So some common examples of content a freelance writer would be creating includes blog posts and other blog content, website content, social media copy, product descriptions, newsletter copy, and maybe even podcast scripts. If you're looking to get started on your freelance writing journey, I'd suggest drafting a resume, highlighting some of your writing experiences. And it's okay if you don't have any. And you'll also want to share your areas of interest and expertise. If you're new to freelance writing and want to start finding clients and really earn money quickly, you should probably take advantage of online freelance marketplaces. Things like Fiverr, Freelancer, even Upwork. They'll provide access to millions of potential customers, and they're also going to help streamline the process of securing projects, delivering work, and the most important part, getting paid. Seventh on our list is editing videos. Video editing is yet another way for you to start earning money online while building valuable skills and learning about a massive industry that is on the rise. Video editors earn good money, and with the monumental shift from photo to video content over these last couple years, demand for video editing services is at an all-time high. Platforms like TikTok and YouTube are more popular than they've ever been, While Instagram has started offering users more video content than images, I'm sure you all know that when you see all the reels that pop up on your screen. So some typical video editor tasks might include the following: things like trimming and cutting videos to get rid of footage, audio, or other unwanted elements to end up with a more usable footage, adding transitions to footage to create a smooth video, adding visual effects and adjusting things like color, contrast, and brightness. And something else you might do as a video editor is adding subtitles, text overlays, or other forms of captioning. You can get started as a video editor by learning some basic skills and building a portfolio that you can use to land those big clients. I recommend software like CapCut, that's what I use. You can also use DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere Pro, or something as simple as iMovie. I know that if I could afford a video editor, I would be all about it, and know there are tons of creators out there looking for video editors, so it's definitely something you should consider. Our eighth and final way to make money as a teenager is to flip things on eBay. Flipping items on eBay is one of the more popular ways that teenagers can make money online. As one of the largest online marketplaces in the world with over 140 million active buyers, eBay provides a great way for teens to really flip items and make some good money doing it. So what does that actually mean? Flipping items on eBay refers to the process of buying items at a certain price point and then reselling those same items on eBay for a higher price, and that's really just to turn a profit. You can find really awesome items to flip at garage sales, thrift stores, storage units, auctions, estate sales, and really wherever else you can think of. Now, you might want to start small by flipping low cost items. That's in order to reduce the risk of lost investment on items that don't sell, while also you're going to be learning the business in the process. Some common items that flip real well on eBay include clothing, that can be vintage, designer, athletic clothes. You can flip electronics, as we already mentioned: smartphones, laptops, tablets, fitness watches. You can flip antiques, and that includes art and furniture. You can also flip collectibles, and that includes trading cards, action figures, toys, comics, and I actually am in the process, or I currently flip trading cards. And obviously we've just been talking about eBay, but you don't have to just use eBay. There's Poshmark, Mercari, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp. Really, the list continues. There's tons of opportunity out there. That was a lot. Making money as a teenager is definitely a great way to start saving money for things like post-secondary education, the purchase of a home someday, being able to travel, and the many other goals that you might have in your young lives. Now, not only that, it definitely helps to also build valuable life skills, and at a pretty early age. In this video, I've highlighted the best ways for teenagers to make money online. And that's from freelance writing to starting a YouTube channel, flipping items, blogging, taking surveys, editing videos, and once again, the list goes on. So here's what I want you to do. Consider what would work best for you, your situation, and your skills, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Gaining work experience at an early age is so beneficial in so many ways, and you'll never know what can happen if you don't give it a try. I hope you found this video helpful, maybe even inspirational, as you are on your journey to making money as a teenager. Thanks so much for watching. Hit me up in our comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found value, and I will see you in the next video.